Hey there, Trello enthusiasts. If you're tired of the default look of your boards and want to add a personal touch, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to change your background in Trello for 2025. This quick tutorial will help you customize your workspace to boost productivity and make things more fun. Whether you're a project manager, student, or just someone organizing their life, a fresh background can make all the difference. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Trello account. Head over to the Trello website or open the app on your device. Once you're in, select the board you want to update. It's that simple. Click on the board from your dashboard. Now, look for the board menu. On the desktop version, you'll see 3 dots or a menu icon in the top right corner of the board. Click that, and then scroll down to find the Change Background option. If you're on mobile, tap the board settings icon, usually represented by a gear or 3 dots, and navigate to the background settings from there. Once you're in the background section, Trello offers a variety of options. You can choose from their pre-selected images, colors, or even upload your own photo for a truly custom feel. Just select what you like, and hit Apply or Save. Voila! Your board now has a new background. It might take a second to refresh, but you'll see the changes right away. A quick tip. If you're using Trello for teams, remember that changing the background might affect how others view the board, so coordinate if needed. Also, this feature is available in both free and premium accounts, but premium users might have more options like higher resolution images. There you have it. Changing your Trello background is straightforward and can really enhance your experience. Give it a try and see how it transforms your boards. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.